Hi guys, it's Mehak, and today, like promised, I'm getting you the video on how to get the perfect winged eyeliner. This is something that I've learned over the past couple of years and I'm here to share today. So let's get started. Starting off, for me, having a clean canvas is very important. So over here I'm just going to be using some foundation on my eyelids directly, and I'm blending that out with the help of a sponge. So you can obviously use an actual eyeshadow primer or concealer or even foundation like I'm using here today, but just by having a canvas you make sure that your eyeliner pops better. I'm going to be setting the foundation in place with some powder. I'm using compact powder over here, but you can also use loose powder. Any foundation and any powder works. For liner, I'm using the Lakme Insta liner with very minimal product, and the brush in itself is very thin, so you get the job done quicker. And I'm going to be drawing a very small and thin line from my lower lash line till the crease, but heading towards the tail of my eyebrows. And once I've drawn that line, I'll draw another small line connecting the end of the line that we drew right now to my top lash line. So what I like to do is leave a little bit of space on the first line that we drew. I don't know if you can see that, but I haven't connected the second line all the way till the end, just because of this step that I'm doing over here. So I feel the need to go back again, and if I leave a little bit of space, it just gives me some area to perfect my wing. And by space I just mean not connecting my second line all the way till the tip of my first line. So now after that I've done quite a lot over here. So I've filled the little triangle that we drew, and now what I'm doing is I'm just going to be drawing the normal line that we draw while getting any winged eyeliner or any liner in general. So I'm just going to be drawing a thin line on my top lash line, very close to my lash line, and I'm going all the way till the inner corners. But as and when I go closer to the inner corners, my liner keeps getting thinner. Once I'm done drawing the line, I'll be connecting the triangle and the line. So over here is just a fast forward of me trying to do the same thing on the other eye. A key while achieving a perfect winged eyeliner is practice. So you have to practice the winged eyeliner again and again to get used to the perfect winged eyeliner and to achieve the same on both the eyes. Something that I do is I like to do one step on each eye, and here is the final eyeliner. Going back to what I was trying to say, to get the same eyeliner on both the eyes, I like to do one step on each eye. So if I'm drawing the small line first on my right eye, I do the same on my left, and I do each step on each eye. So yeah, those were some of my tips and tricks, I guess, that I have learned over the past couple of years trying to get the perfect winged eyeliner. I hope you guys learned something, and I'll see you later. Bye!